Hey, how's it going, you guys? This is your video reacting girl, Ponylover1989, and you are watching another reaction episode. I hope you enjoyed my reaction to another Rhythm Heaven Fever for Nintendo Wii played by Twomotainment. Rhythm Disappointment is the second video that I've reacted to. Well, actually, that's the third video. The first was Limbo versus Riel. The second is Rhythm Salvation, and the third is Rhythm Disappointment. Now I am going to be reacting to the fourth one that is suggested by Uwe. And this is also by Twomotainment, as he suggested to try to beat Rhythm Heaven. This is Monkey Returns. Yeah, the monkey is returning in one of these all those remix mini games of Rhythm Heaven, so let's go. The NBA. Skip.
Easy dub. Easy dub. Easy dub.
Oh, the robots won. Oh, mess up. Notice, if you get a perfect on Screwbot Factory.
Let's go for this perfect as a consolation, alright? We got 3 tries for the perfect.
P for the perfect.
I know I have to grab it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
This one's white.
Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, let's go. Oh yeah.
White.
Let's go.
Gray.
Oh yeah. Oh, let's go. Oh yeah. Let's go. Oh yeah.
Oh, you screwed that up.
So I had 2 misses. I had 2
Only
misses.
one.
This is doable.
Let's go protect the world. Protect the world from devastation. And unite all peoples within our nation.
We got one more shot at this.
One more shot at this.
That we got an okay on the tambourine before we got a perfect.
Okay. Oh, another screw up.
Love Rap 2. Oh, well, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Dude, Love Rap 2 sucks. I'll try it once. I will try it one time.
Oh, a chandelier.
I don't like this already.
Oh. Crazy, do you? Into you. Bow show. Into you. Bow show. Into you. Bow show. Into you. Bow show. Crazy into you. Crazy into you. Crazy into you. Crazy into you. Bow show. Bow show. Bow show. Bow show. Into you. Bow show. Crazy into you. All about 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 you. Bow show. Bow show. Bow show. Bow show. All about you. Bow show. Bow show. Crazy into you. Into you. Bow show. Crazy into you. Bow show. Into you. Bow show. Crazy into you. Bow show. Into you. Crazy into you. Into you. Crazy into you. into you. All about you.
That was good. That was pretty good.
Word from MC Adore. You mastered the fast part at the end, but still just okay.
I don't need a medal on that one. I actually did it. That wasn't too bad.
Not two cheerleaders too.
First try, dude. I'm kind of on a roll.
Let's go read a bunch of books. Boom ba boom. Oh, weird pumpkin or vegetable guys in the pit. Ooh. This again. Oh, Maui statue. The Moai statues. Oh, these guys again. 3 times that they appear.
Let's go. Good enough.
Good enough.
It's good enough.
It's good enough.
What is the next one? Monkey Go!
Hole in one,
It's
two.
a sign from the gods. It's Monkey 2. I didn't even realize.
Monkey and Man.
2.
Oh, the monkey's back.
Wait, what?
Oh, it's about the timing. Whoa. I thought I saw the baboon's mouth. I thought I saw a baboon's jaw drop. A jaw drop means that a character's jaw drops means a shocked look on the character's face. Especially in cartoons, movies, video games, anime. Oh, this must be the tropical version of Hole in One, the first Hole in One game. Yeah, that was pretty good.
That was really good.
Monkey was very impressed. Tumzad. Who doesn't remember and love that old jingle from the commercial?
Yeah!
Superb. You get a medal.
I thought he was gonna
Perfect form.
I thought he was gonna yell ook again. Happy.
Yeah.
Let's go, dude. Screwbot Factory 2?
Screwbot Factory 2?
Easy dub, dude. Easy dub.
Oh.
Okay, well.
Oh, yeah. Oh, screw up.
That was so bad.
Oh! Stark. Oh, another screw up.
So good, dude.
Another screw up.
Smart, okay?
It's just about the timing. CBI Chief is now following. Thanks.
What?
Oh! 3 lights.
That is so hard. That is so hard.
He finished the gray robots well. In the
Oh my god.
still, well, at least you passed it. It was still okay. Remix
Alright,
9.
once we play this, we're gonna get another chance at the perfect of a game. And maybe we'll get That'll Be Ringside. Maybe. It's possible. It's a possibility.
Possibility. Oh, now they're idols. Chrissy, into you. Into you. Oh, the P. The fork. Oh. Tambourine monkey. This one's white instead of normal orange. No. He's holding, that bamboo is holding a monkey in his hand. It's up to you. Hey, there's a cat in the background with his meal. Into you, into you, into you, into you. Most of the fans. Chrissy, into you, into you. Chrissy, into you, into you. Oh, now the oh, the karate guy was
That was so hard.
in the dark earlier.
So hard. No, that's what?
Attempt 2. Beautiful One Day by Sunku Bale. Sunkun is the name of the band for, is the name of one of the bands of Rhythm Heaven. Attempt 3. A girl? To you. You. To you. The meme shopper is now following. Thanks. Yeah, that baboon's definitely holding the girl monkey in his hand. A screw up. There's that cat. Snapchat ad. I wish I had a better phone.
Ask patients if they suffer from
Another medicine ad. What is hypersensitivity anyway? Most of the fans.
That's so. There's a cat.
The cat is on his. A cat is on his back.
I won! I did it!
Oh, you did it! You did it.
Dude, this is like the last part. But like, can I get a perfect, please?
If you get a perfect on Double Date 2, go for a perfect. I'm starting to get a bit sleepy. Oh, one miss.
Okay. Alright. Two more tries.
And the sheep got the ball
It's
in
not
the
good.
background. Finn Palmasiter is now following. Thanks. It's hard to pronounce this username though. Two windmills in the background and two sheep in the farm. Oh, there was a blue sheep in the background. I did not notice that. And a yellow sheep. And a green sheep. Was that a goat? Was that a goat in the background? It must have caught the ball with its horns. Another yellow sheep. And the sheep got it.
Gamer God.
Well, you actually did it. You got a P for perfect. For Double Date 2.
Yeah, dude.
Wow. Really good. Well done, Twomotainment. I knew you could do it if you try hard enough. Apple Games ad? Pokemon Unite? I didn't know. I didn't know. No, I do not vape. Thank you very much. Anyway, that was my reaction to Monkey Returns by Twomotainment. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like my reaction to this video, leave a like and comment your thoughts down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notifications bell for suggestions of what you want me to do or react to next. Don't forget to follow me on X, DeviantArt, Tumblr, Discord, Blue Sky, TikTok, Facebook, and anyway, this is Ponylover1989, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.